Okay, in problem number 34, it's just asking us to do a little bit of algebra. Saying subtract 2x squared minus 5x plus 8 from 6x squared plus 3x minus 2, and then express the answer as a trinomial. Trinomial is basically this and this. It's an expression with variables, and there are three terms, so both of these are trinomials. So the wording here is saying subtract this one, this 2x squared, from this one. Okay, so that means we write this one first, and then we subtract this one from it. So we have 6x squared plus 3x minus 2, and from that we want to subtract 2x squared minus 5x plus 8. And notice how I'm writing x squareds under x squareds, x's under x's, and constants under constants. Okay, now because I'm subtracting here, this is a subtraction, that means I'm basically going to change the sign of whatever's in this parentheses. So this is really going to become 6x squared, that doesn't change, plus 3x, that doesn't change. The top one doesn't change, minus 2. And then underneath it we're going to have minus 2x squared plus 5x, because this negative is distributing. Okay? And then it's going to distribute there, and we're going to have minus 8. And now we just add these guys. We just add them. So minus 2 and minus 8, that's minus 10. We're combining them. 3x and 5x, that's plus 8x. And then 6x squared minus 2x squared, that's 4x squared. And that is your answer, 4x squared plus 8x minus 10. It didn't say you had to simplify the trinomial, it just said express it as a trinomial, and we've done exactly that. All right. The next question says expressed in simplest form 8x over x squared minus 16 divided by 2x over x plus 4. Okay, and at first glance you might say, oh man, I want to multiply both sides. You know, one side I'm going to multiply by x squared minus 16, the other side I'm going to multiply by x plus 4 over x plus 4, and it's going to be this big mess. But really it's not, because we have here division. We're dividing. So when we divide, we take this second fraction and we invert it, and we multiply it by the first one, by the first fraction. So we keep 8x divided by x squared minus 16, and we multiply this by x plus 4 over 2x. Okay, and immediately we can see that the 8 is going to turn into a 4, the 2 is going to cancel, and then, you know, this x and this x are going to cancel out, and we'll just have 1. But we still have this matter of the x plus 4 and x squared minus 16. Okay? As it turns out, I'll write the next step. We're going to have 4 over x plus 4, x minus 4, because x squared minus 16 is a perfect square. Right? Multiply that by x plus 4 over 1. And now we see that the x plus 4 and the x plus 4 cancel, and what we have left is 4 over x minus 4. And that is the final answer. Okay, see you in the next problem.